everyone. Good morning to all of you. Yes. So let's begin our class. Yeah. So today I am going to take a new lesson. Okay. So before that, I want to ask you some questions. So let's begin. Are you all ready? Very good. So children, say me, what can you see from the picture? Yes, a beautiful garden, right? So in the garden, what can you see mostly? Yes, flowers, right? Different varieties of flowers, not only one variety, many varieties or different types of flowers we can see in the garden. Not only in the garden, we can see them on the roadsides, some decorating houses, places and all, we can see the flowers, right? Yes. So, can you say which all flowers do you like? I like jasmine, a rose. So just make a list of it. Which all flowers do you like? Okay? Yes. So today's lesson, we are going to learn about flowers. And the chapter's name is Flowers to Flowers. Clear? Yes. In this lesson, we are going to learn more detail about flowers. We all know that flowers are very attractive one, right? It attracts all the insects, right? And it has a beautiful smell and the colorful petals will always attract us, and we all like flowers, right? So next we can look about the closer look. We'll have a closer look of the flower. So here I am going to tell the example of a hibiscus flower or a shoe flower. See the picture, children. Hope you all have seen this flower, right? It is known as hibiscus flower. Hibiscus or shoe flower. Yes? Can you see that in different colors, the petals, can you see that different colors of petals are also available? Okay. Now, let's talk about the parts of the flower. So, here goes the picture showing the parts of the flower. So, the main parts of the flowers are androecium, gynoecium, corolla, calyx, thalamus and pedicel. So these are the main parts of a flower. Now I will explain in detail each part. First, let's take androecium. Androecium is otherwise known as the male part of the plant. See, look at the picture, children. This is the structure of androecium. It consists of anther and filament. And inside the anther, there are yellow grains called pollen grains. See, this is the pollen grains. Hope all might have seen when you take the shoe flower, you can see the yellow grains, right? Yes, so that is called pollen grains. It helps in pollination. Okay, that we will discuss in later classes. So, this is the structure of androecium. It's a male part of the plant and it consists of anther and filament. That stick-like thing is called filament and the uppermost part is called the anther. And inside the anther is the pollen grains. Clear? Yes. Next one I am going to say about is gynoecium, which is otherwise known as the female part of the plant. See, this is the picture of a gynoecium. Okay, it consists of stigma, style, ovary, and inside the ovary there are ovules, which are the eggs, which later it will turn into fruits and seeds. Okay? So this is the structure of the gynoecium. Okay? So this is the female part of the flower. Now next one is corolla. You might have seen the beautiful, colorful petals, right? Other name for corolla is the petals. It will be very attractive. Fragrance will be there. That is, it will give lots of smell. Nice smell will be there. And in different plant, it will have different shape. All the petals will not look alike. All the petals are not the same. So in different flowers, the corolla will be different. But its only function is that it attracts the insects, and it is very attractive, and also it gives fragrance, that is beautiful smell. Clear? Now next one is calyx. You can see from the picture, children, calyx is the part which holds the flower when it is a bud. That green part is called the calyx. Okay, what it will do means it will hold the flower when it is a bud, and also when the flower bloom, it will support the petals. Petals means corolla. So that is the function of calyx. Okay? What the calyx will do? It will protect the flower when it is a bud. From there, when the flower bloom into beautiful petals, it will protect it, it will support it. So that is the function of calyx. Then thalamus is the down part which holds the different parts of the flower. This all the parts which I have discussed now, this thalamus will, what they will do, they will hold the part so that they will stand straight. So it holds the different parts of the flowers. Okay? Then pedicel is the green part which connects the flower to the plant. See, this one, the stick part, the green part is called the pedicel, which connects the flower to the plant. So is it clear, children? So these are the main parts of the flower: androecium, gynoecium, calyx, corolla, thalamus and pedicel. And I have talked about you the functions also. Hope this is clear. Right? Yes. So can you say, children, does this plants differ in anything? Or all the, not plants, flowers, or all the flowers are looking same? Can you say that all the flowers are looking same? No, right? Yes. There will be different in the number of shape, okay, number of petals, shape, structure, size, then the fragrance it produces, the smell it produces. So each flower is having different size, shape, vary in the number of petals. Okay, so you can't say that all the flowers are equal. And what is the use of this flower, children? Flowers are otherwise known as the reproductive part of the plant. What is reproduction? Producing young plant or producing young ones for the next generation. That is the meaning of reproduction. So from here, the flowers, from the flowers it turns into fruit and seeds, and from the seeds, when it gets buried, it will form into a new plant. Okay, so the main reproductive part of a plant is the flower. Clear? Yes. Now, I told you about androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is the male part of the plant and gynoecium is the female part of the plant. Right? Yes. So, in some plants, both androecium and gynoecium will be seen. Such plants are called bisexual flowers. Means two are there, androecium and gynoecium. These two are there, so it is called bisexual flowers. For example, pumpkin and all is an example of that. Then next one, which contains only androecium or only gynoecium, only the male part, only the female part, is called unisexual flowers. Uni means one, bi means two. Okay, so unisexual, which contains only one, either the androecium or the gynoecium. Okay, so we studied about bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers. Clear? Yes. Now, from your textbook, there are many activities to do. This is the first activity, that is, you have to match the parts, the function of each parts which I have described you in detail. Okay, so you have to match the parts, their functions. Okay, and also there is one flower giving. You have to label the parts of the flower from the textbook itself. Clear? Yes. And there is another activity, that is, you can see two columns. That is, you have to write the examples of unisexual flowers and you have to write the examples of bisexual flowers. So what is unisexual flowers? Example you can give as, yes, pumpkin. Sorry, pumpkin is an unisexual flower. Okay, it's not bisexual, it is unisexual flower. Okay, hibiscus is a bisexual flower, which I had showed you. Clear? Yes. So, unisexual flowers examples you can give as pumpkin, cucumber, bitter gourd, snake gourd, coconut. This all you can give as example for unisexual flowers. And bisexual, you can give rose, lady's finger, hibiscus. You can give the examples. So, we have learned about what is flowers and we have also learned about the parts, different parts of the flower. Right? So, which are the different parts of the flower? Repeat after me, children. Androecium, gynoecium, corolla, calyx, thalamus and pedicel. And we studied the function of each part also. Then we talked about what actually these flowers are. Right? Yes. Then they are the main reproductive organ of the plant. Then we studied about bisexual flowers and unisexual flowers. Bisexual, which has both the male part and female part, and unisexual, which has only one part. That is, either it will be male part or it will be female part. Okay, so example for bisexual is hibiscus, rose and all, and unisexual is pumpkin, bitter gourd. Is it clear, children? Yes. So what all activities I have told you to do, just try to do it yourself. Okay? Yes. So that is the end of today's class. So next class I will take another topic. Till then, bye.